Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks. And first I will talk about the features that we can find in the settings, and after that I will show you what we can do in the photo and video mode. So at the first, when you are here, we can add gridlines. So tap on the switcher, and as you can see right now we got help gridlines. We can make better composition on the photo. So for example, if you want to put something inside, in the middle on your picture, maybe this SD card, you can do it right now much easier. And take a look how it looks. There it is. We can also remove mirror effect. So when this option is turned on, the selfie will appears the same like on the preview. So our smartphone is not going to flip our selfie. So take a look what is going on. Let me turn off this timer. I'm going to switch to the front camera, and right now when I take the selfie, it looks like on the preview, as I said before. But when we are going to turn it off, as you can see, it flips our photo. Let me just delete both photos. And we are going for the settings. So the next option is the location tags. When you click on the switcher and accept permission to the location, and also enable location on your phone, when you take a photo and go for the details, you will get the exact location where the photo was taken. And the shotting methods, we can change volume key function. Currently is set up to take a picture or record video, but we can switch to the zoom or system volume. Let's go for the second one and take a look how great it works. Right now when you press volume up or volume down button, you can move with your zoom. Maximum you can zoom to the 4 times. Another option in the shotting methods is floating shutter button. So when you enable it and go back, you can spot that we got 2 shutter buttons. First and the second works normally. You can move that shutter button around screen, as you can see. And when you want to remove it, just scroll here and put it like that. We can also find quick launch option. So when you enable this option and go for the home screen and double press power key, you are able to open your camera really quick. And right now when we are in the photo mode and the video mode, let me just reset other settings. Okay, and right now when you are in the photo mode, we can change brightness level when you tap right here and move the switcher for the left, for the minus or plus. As you can see, there's the difference. We can also add timer for 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for 2. And right now when you click on the shutter button, after 2 seconds of the delay, the photo will be taken. You can also change aspect ratio, 3:4, 9:16, Y/1 or full. Here we can also add the beauty mode. There's the filters. So take a look how it looks, how it changed. There we got also the negative, red, yellow and highlight, green highlight. So it will be a good example. And the blue highlight. Blue is this pen. And the same in the video. You can change the brightness level by moving this switcher. And basically that's all. That's all tricks that you can use when you have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.